Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel U3, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And when the device shuts down, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. So let's do that right now. Power and the volume up. And there we go, so we are now in the recovery mode in the language selection. So here, select your language using volume keys and then confirm it with power key. I'm going to be sticking with English, so I don't need to select anything. There we go. And in the recovery mode, again using volume keys, you want to scroll down one field to reboot to bootloader and confirm it with power key. It will give you a message that it's rebooting, and in a second we should see Fastboot mode somewhere on the bottom of the screen. And there we go. As you can see, there's the Fastboot mode, and that is how you boot the device into this mode. And to leave this mode, I believe we just need to pop out the battery, so just open it up, just pop the battery out, put it back in, and as you can see, the device automatically turns back on. Let's give it a moment for it to boot back into the Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.